Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Li Bo and my nickname is Leo. I'm 18 years old now and I'm from Hangzhou, Zhejiang province. I'm a student of Zhejiang Chinese Medical University and this is my school. To let you know more about me, I will introduce some of my hobbies. In the leisure time, I would watch movies, but I don't like horror movies because it may make me fail to sleep that night. I have seen the movies Interstellar, and if you haven't watched it before, I strongly recommend you to have a see. It's very awesome. And I also like to read lots of books. My favorite writer is Liu Cixin and all his books are science fiction. I also like the book Harry Potter. I think you may have read it before, so we can discuss about it. If you haven't read about it, that's okay. We can watch the Harry Potter's film together. And I'm also a music buff. I like jazz bass because I think it's elegant and it can make me relax. For exercising, I like playing badminton. And let's talk about my personality. I think I'm friendly and so I believe we can be good friends. And I'm aspirant and I have a quick reaction to the new environment. And I have a strong sense of responsibility. At last, thank you for your serving in advance. And that's all. Goodbye.